what is the percentage of Nigerians that can buy brand new cars? Less than 5% of Nigeria. And even if you buy a used car without problem, how many Nigerians can afford professional mechanic services? This is what led to Asoro Automotive. Now, the problems a lot of car owners face is that because they buy used car, they don't have any form of warranty or support from the manufacturer. And then they are being left vulnerable to quack mechanics and fake spare parts dealers aside, which can cause a lot of damages to their vehicles. They can't easily identify experienced mechanics, and there's a lot of dishonesty in the automotive repair sector among mechanics and part dealers. Another is not all car brand parts are easily procured locally. There are some car brands you buy, you have to you find it difficult to procure them. So what are we offering? We're offering a 24/7 live chat support with expert mechanics for all brands of vehicle. We have a wide range of expert mechanics on our system. We link buyers of auto parts to the new sellers, and we also connect car users to mechanic affiliated to us close to them. Currently, we have hundreds of mechanic affiliated to us, verified, in 26 states of the country. And we also review, we have review system for our mechanics on our platform. Now, what is as different? We have real-time diagnostics guidance. We have our platform where you can, a website and an application where you can have live chats, and you can also have voice call and video call. And the good thing about the voice call, you don't have to have internet service. You can call us 24/7. Our agents are there to pick. And video calls are places where we want to pass instruction. We need feedback, like to see the condition of your vehicle, and we can offer you those support. We also help in procurement of genuine auto parts and our trusted network of mechanics, which we give warranty for their services. So our business model, we have the free trial, which is the live chat. The live chat is free. And I'm sorry, okay. It converts about 3% of our users to the premium version. And the premium is for the video, the voice call, and also for some automotive data, like in repairing, there are some data you may need that we can offer to you. Then we make money from the paper, and also from commissions we get from referring our users to our affiliated mechanics and part dealers. Now in Nigeria, there are over 12 million cars, registered cars, and 4 million plus are privately owned, while we are targeting 100,000 cars. Now, why is Asoro Automotive different? Although we don't have a specific competitor in the support, in terms of automotive support sector in Nigeria, but we have some automotive influencers on social medias, mechanics and all that who also play a role. But we have a wide range of industrial expertise talking about different brands of cars, wide network of affiliated mechanics and part dealers nationwide, and our communication seamless. Okay, this is GOBD by Asoro Automotive. This is the game changer in automotive diagnostics. What does it mean? When you have this on your vehicle, you fix it, you scan for your fault code, and you get back to us as Asoro Automotive through our website or our mobile app. And what we do, we tell you, we recommend for you how to fix the car, and we tell you the fault and the cost and everything, give you the whole estimation. Then from there, you can either go to your mechanic or you can use our affiliated mechanics.